it?
The words of the haka, it starts off with whakatuwherahia mai ngā tatau o taku whare kōrero, which is open up the doors to my bastion of knowledge. So looking at the school is a really diverse place. It's got people who are teaching, students who have got knowledge that stems from all over the world. And so when we go into the first few parts of the haka, ko Kapiti taku puna mā tauranga. Puna is a spring, mā tauranga is knowledge. So there's a place where knowledge comes from. Ko Kapiti taku pātaka huatini. A pātaka is a storehouse. Figuratively speaking, that this is a storehouse of knowledge. In hua, products, tini, many products. So we are fortunate that we have people with such extensive knowledge who can offer these opportunities to our rangatahi. And also rangatahi that have extensive knowledge about various things as well. So we're very fortunate. Ko Kapiti taku te kaiwhakatupu o te hinengaro tangata. Now the word tupu is to grow, whakatupu is to make grow, kaiwhakatupu is the grower, so the grower of minds. And that's what we intend to do is get kids to think and get them to have their own opinions and thoughts about things throughout the process of their learning. The next part is ka whai nei tātou I te aha. What is it that we follow? What is it that we pursue? Te ara tika is the right path, and that's the right path for whoever you are. You might have a different path to that person over there, and the ara tika is being able to have the opportunities to experience a number of things and to be influenced by a number of things in order for you to find your path. Te ara pono is the path of enlightenment or the path of truth. So you have to be true to yourself in order to find where you're going in life. Kia ai ke mārika ki te angitu o te ao hurihuri, so that we may achieve great success in this ever-changing world. Kaunuku and kauneke basically mean to move forward, move swiftly. So have a good journey through your educational experience. And then the final line, te waka rangatahi o te kapa Kapiti e. This canoe, figuratively speaking, this canoe, which those of us at Kapiti paddle and move in the direction of success in this world. So that's what the haka is all about. It's about passion, it's about Kapiti, it's about education, knowledge and inspiration. Kia ora.